Ka office joint deputy commissioner Bhoi district KHASI lang but ka office district sports officer glapen kutno ka Prokram Jinghikai na ka bentaban Rung kam Shipai ka basibanay ka Shipai uno para daga bapelejing mod aga kot ka kia aga met ka phat baga jeng pen kre kani ka jeng tmu glapen kre ki samla na ka bentaki kam Shipai Hakani kejing lang penkut u deputy commissioner u Abilash Baranwal ulaya ro ekejik hem jo kidong ishim bentab ula banjur ya ka benta jong kani ka program ha ban kentiu ki sap ki pong jong ki samla u district sports officer Bobby Nongbed ula penslori ki nong sha hikai bekin pendon kami ki sap batmai jong ki ban pen urlong ya ka thong ka jong ki
program for everyone who is going to appear for Army recruitment rally. As per, so there are probably 250 candidates who will be appearing for the physical test of the Army recruitment rally, out of which around 80 persons are from Bhoi itself. We organize this training program to help them understand first of all what kind of tests will be conducted and help them train as well. With the help of our DSO, our magistrate, as well as the coach over here, we have tried to ensure that everyone gets the exposure as well as the kind of training that is required so that they can clear and youth from Bhoi can get into government job and especially army in the largest number possible.
Kamiglaya State Skill Development Society